Ever wondered how GST works in India? Today, we unravel the mystery behind this tax system. GST, or Goods and Services Tax, is a comprehensive, multi-stage, destination-based tax system. But what does this mean? Well, it's comprehensive because it's applied to both goods and services. It's multi-stage, as it gets imposed at every step in the production process. But it's destination-based because it's charged where the goods are consumed, not where they were produced. This system was introduced in India on the 1st of July 2017, replacing multiple cascading taxes levied by the central and state governments. It aimed to unify the nation's economy, making it a single market and simplifying the tax structure. Now that we have a basic understanding of what GST is and when it was introduced in India, it's time to delve into its core features. Stay tuned as we explore the salient features of GST and how they impact our daily lives. GST has been designed with a plethora of features. Let's begin with the first half. One of the most notable aspects of the Goods and Services Tax, or GST, is its dual structure. This is a unique feature where the tax is levied by both the central and state governments on the same transaction. This dual GST system ensures a harmonious distribution of fiscal power between the center and the states and guarantees a more equitable sharing of revenue. Moving on to the second key feature, the seamless flow of input tax credit. This mechanism allows businesses to claim credit for the taxes they've paid on their inputs, thus reducing their overall tax liability. This not only simplifies tax procedures, but also discourages tax evasion, making the system more effective and transparent. Lastly, let's consider the unification of taxes. Prior to the implementation of GST, India had a plethora of indirect taxes, leading to a complex and tangled taxation system. GST has transformed this by amalgamating a large number of these indirect taxes into a single tax system. This has significantly simplified the tax structure, making it more comprehensible and easy to follow for businesses and individuals alike. These are just a few of the many features of GST. Stay tuned for more in the next scene. Welcome back. Ready to uncover more features of GST? Let's delve into the next three key features of GST. First up, we have uniformity of tax rates and structures. This is a major breakthrough. As earlier, we had a complex tax system with different tax rates across various states. With GST, we now have a uniform tax rate across the country, making taxation much simpler and more transparent. The next feature is the simple and easy online procedure. In the past, tax filing was a tedious process, often causing a lot of confusion. But with GST, this has been simplified. Now, all the tax-related activities, including registration, return filing, application for refund, and response to notices, are carried out online. This not only saves time, but also makes the whole process more efficient. Finally, we have improved efficiency in logistics. Earlier, goods transportation across states was time-consuming due to interstate checkposts. But with the implementation of GST, these checkposts have been eliminated. This has significantly reduced the time taken for the movement of goods, thus improving the efficiency of logistics. To sum it up, these key features, uniformity of tax rates and structures, simple online procedures, and improved efficiency in logistics contribute to making GST a game-changer in the tax system. These features make GST a revolutionary tax system. But what does this all mean for the economy? So, we've learned about the key features of GST, but how do they impact the Indian economy? We've delved into the world of Goods and Services Tax, or GST, highlighting its key features. We have seen how it replaces multiple taxes, reducing complexity and the cascading effect of tax. We've also touched on how GST is a destination-based tax, creating a uniform tax structure across the country. The input tax credit mechanism is another significant part of GST, preventing tax on tax and promoting transparency in the taxation process. These features of GST aim to create a single, unified Indian market, making the economy stronger and freer. It encourages a competitive market, reducing the cost of goods and services, benefiting the consumer and the economy as a whole. And that's how GST works in India. Remember, understanding taxes is the first step to becoming financially savvy. Thanks for joining us today.